In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sukuna in Realm Rampage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sukuna is available as a standard character in Realm Rampage. You will be able to use him in public servers or private ones. For this video, I chose a private server just to make it easier to demonstrate. All that you have to do is tap or click on this little character icon, and you will be able to select the disgraced one. So this is going to be Sukuna. As you can see, I'm already playing as Sukuna, and immediately upon changing, you will have access to these 4 moves while you are not awakened. You will have Raging Pummel, which looks like this. So you will grab someone, drag them across the floor, and throw them away. Then you will have Dismantle, essentially just another flashy attack where you throw someone from a distance, and then Cleave Grasp, the third ability, a bunch of consecutive punches, and then you throw them away, and finally Cleave Dance. So this is usually going to be used after another attack. So as long as you choose Sukuna from the list of available characters, you will have full access to him. For this video, I'm not going to demonstrate everything. I'm not going to be showcasing combos. I'm just going to be hitting this dummy for a while, and you will be able to watch. Sukuna is free to access for everyone, so you'll notice that you don't need to have anything like premium, any sort of game pass. As long as you join Realm Rampage, you will have full access to Sukuna from the get-go. So it's simple, easy to access, and of course, your moveset is going to change when you fill out the awakening bar here. And you can use him on any server that you want. Public or private, you can play with him alone or have multiple friends playing together. And of course, if you are on a private server, you will be able to do commands and practice things like using your abilities, doing combos, and such. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to give myself awakening, but actually it worked. So I'm just going to show you the awakened form now. It's simple, and there are a lot of fun moves to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna in Realm Rampage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.